Select Linked helps you select parts of your model faster in edit mode. Ctrl L selects the rest of a mesh island if part of it is already selected. Pressing L selects the linked geometry under the cursor. Shift L deselects rather than selects the linked geometry. You can further limit the selection by materials, by edges marked as seam or sharp, by UV islands, or by flipped normals. Hold Shift if you want to select or deselect multiple of these options. You can also go to Select Linked, Linked Flat Faces. This selects all other faces with the same normal angle.